Welcome, you curious deep diver. Today, we're plunging into a really fascinating realm where technology meets human expression, AI-powered audio.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting stuff.
Our sources for this deep dive, they come straight from ElevenLabs documentation, product insights from the company itself.
That's right. And our mission today, really, is to unpack how this platform is transforming things. Not just, how we consume content, but how businesses interact with customers, too.
And highlighting the surprising capabilities and the bigger picture implications.
Exactly. So, what stood out to you first when you were looking through this?
Okay, so the first thing that immediately jumped out was the intro of their new 11v3 Alpha model.
Ah, the Alpha!
Right, Alpha. So still very much cutting-edge early access. But they describe it as the most emotionally rich, expressive speech synthesis model.
Emotionally rich, that's a big claim.
It is, and it supports over 70 languages plus natural multi-speaker dialogue. I mean, that's a huge leap from just basic text-to-speech, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. This V3 model, it really does feel like a game changer because it enables, dramatic delivery and
Performance.
Yeah, think about the examples they give, like a sarcastic dragon narration or, really excited sports commentary. It's moving beyond just sounding human.
Right. It's
a lot more like sounding like a performer, giving the AI voice actual intent, maybe even subtext.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting for you listening in. The sources mention this dialogue between Dr. Han Fusion and Jessica.
Right, I saw that.
And it showcases V3 doing whispers. Hard laughs. Accents, like a French accent.
And even singing.
And singing. It's clear they're aiming for, full personality software. It makes you think if an AI can sing.
What's next? Yeah. And what's fascinating here is seeing how these, advanced capabilities actually translate into real-world applications.
Because it's not just about the flashy stuff.
Exactly. Beyond V3, ElevenLabs has this whole suite of models. There's multilingual V2 for consistent quality across languages, and then Flash V2.5. This one's built for ultra-low latency, like around 75 milliseconds.
Wow, 75 meters, that's incredibly fast.
It is, and that's crucial, right? Because it means almost no delay in conversation. It makes AI agents feel much more natural.
Yeah, the most real-time.
Pretty much. And then there's Turbo V2.5, which sort of balances the quality and the speed.
So, okay, what does all this tech actually mean for you? Whether you're a creator, a developer, maybe running a business?
Well, it means you've got some powerful tools at your fingertips.
Right. The platform lets you convert text to really lifelike speech, transcribe audio, change voices, isolate them.
Seamless dubbing is a big one, too.
Oh yeah, dubbing. And even creating sound effects, you can clone your own voice or design totally custom ones.
And deploy intelligent voice agents. Build these models into products using their APIs and SDKs. Those are the toolkits for developers.
So integrating it directly into software.
Exactly. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, well, we're already seeing this tech being used, right?
Yeah, like how?
Like launching daily podcasts automatically, giving virtual chess teachers a voice that sounds natural explaining moves.
Video voiceovers too, I bet.
Definitely. Natural-sounding voiceovers for global audiences, even powering AI avatars for news reports. It's really about creating content faster, localizing it easily with good dubbing, and really elevating customer experiences with these AI voice agents that sound so human.
And it seems they have some big names using it. They mentioned being trusted by leading developers and enterprises and creators like Andrew Huberman and Ariana Huffington.
Using it for voiceovers, audiobooks, translating content.
Yeah.
But, with tech this powerful, you have to think about safety responsibility.
Absolutely. And the sources do highlight their commitment there. They talk about moderation, accountability, and provenance.
Right, trying to ensure responsible use. And they mention being pioneers in achieving this kind of human-like AI speech responsibly.
Which leads us to maybe a final thought for you, the listener.
Yeah, as these AI voices get better and better, sometimes, almost indistinguishable from us, how might that reshape our whole understanding of what's authentic? What presence means in this digital world?
Authenticity and presence when the voice might not be human? That's definitely something to ponder.
Something to think about until our next deep dive.
Indeed, until then.